Hey, MovieFreek's the name, TV show reviews, and my game. Today's...
We interrupt this program.
This is the internet. How are you doing this? Why are you doing this?
For me, citizen of Wellview, it is I, Frankini the Grand. In case you didn't notice, there's a...
To bring you Courage, the Cowardly Dog Show! Starring Courage, the Cowardly Dog!
Great. 5 seconds into the review, and it gets hijacked by a news reporter! Well, this is still my show after all. I'm not gonna let some hacky news reporter try to steal it. Here's a brief bit about Courage's history before he got his own show. This show was created by a man named John Dilworth. He created a short film called The Chicken from Outer Space
Chicken!
and submitted it to the What a Cartoon Show. Soon enough, it became a show of its very own. In fact, it would be the final hit from the What a Cartoon Show of the 1990s. It premiered on November 12, 1999, so it counts.
Shut up! The point is...
It's just one of a long line of What a Cartoon Show success. And now the time has come to talk about another of that group. Now let's take a look. As a character, Courage himself is a pink dog with the ability to momentarily shapeshift.
Did you break that door?
Ooh, forget the door!
His main mission in life is to protect his owners. Well, at least one of them. There is one issue with him, though.
Oh my God! You can talk!
Yeah. The network wanted him to be more like a real dog, so he spoke less English.
Now that precious, wonderful, adorable, lovable duckling really has to go!
And more gibberish. They didn't seem to have a problem with other shows having talking dogs, but no. On this show, Courage cannot talk.
You don't even talk! I do sometimes!
It gets even weirder when you realize that Courage actually had a few catchphrases.
Something smells fishy, or my name is Stinky Lulu. And thank goodness it's not.
There's something wrong here! Or my name is Jose Santos de Guatemala! And it's not!
More importantly, there's this.
The things I do for love. Oh,
Lovely.
This one's so well known that it actually made the back cover of the DVD. Explain that.
the things I do for love.
The things we do for love. He's the main character. Let him talk. At least they didn't give him a weird stutter or something he never had before. Anyway, got anything to add, Mr. Interrupting News Reporter?
Abandoned as a pup.
Aww. Well, if you're interested, I think I know a group of dogs that can help you.
He was found by Muriel.
Or you could do it yourself. That's fine too. This is Muriel. Courage's selected perfect person. She was the first to show kindness to Courage after his parents abandoned him. And for that, he has dedicated his life to her protection. She may be the subject of Courage's constant rescue, but I wouldn't describe her as damsel in distress. Far from it. She's a strong, kind, and patient old woman. And she has to be to stand living with her husband, who I'll get to later.
Blah, blah, blah. What did I do?
Reporter?
Who lives in the middle of nowhere.
Well, where
Where are you guys going?
Nowhere.
What? Why on earth would you want to go there? It's in Kansas, but with all the weird stuff that happens there, it might as well be in the Twilight Zone or something.
With her husband, Eustace Bang!
Grumpy.
There's an understatement. He's a selfish, greedy old curmudgeon.
Blah, blah, blah. I'm not getting out of this chair.
He hates Courage with a passion. And Courage doesn't seem to care much for him in return.
Yay, farmer.
Can't blame Eustace entirely, though. It runs in the family.
Stupid boy.
Stupid dog.
This hatred is so intense that he once gathered a group of previously seen villains, some of whom he has absolutely no way of knowing, just to get rid of him. He is just evil. I'm pretty sure that if anyone did the things that he's done to Courage in real life, they'd be thrown in jail for animal cruelty. Good thing Muriel's always there and knocked some sense into him.
Now you sleep in the attic.
But creepy stuff happens in nowhere.
Well, this is a Monster of the Week show. What did you expect? This show thrives on the horror movie genre. The monsters included can range from one-shots, like Fusili, the King of Flan,
Fantasy Flan.
No,
Fantasy Flan. Fantasy Flan. By Fantasy Flan. By Fantasy Flan. By Fantasy Flan.
and of course, Fred.
Naughty.
To the recurring, such as a British cat, a French duck, and an entire family of space chickens. Honestly, Courage, how do you deal with all this?
Just do what I do when I have problems. Scream!
That'll work. A scream from Courage happens at least once an episode. They're shown in the most hilariously over-the-top ways. They even saved the day on 2 separate occasions.
Come on, Courage. You can't give up. There must be something you can do better than them. Come on, Courage. What can you do?
Stupid dog! What are you doing?
It's time for your trip, little dog.
It's up to Courage to save his new home.
Which he does brilliantly.
Stupid dog! You made me look bad.
That man is truly messed up.
Very much so, yes. This show is fantastic. Much like the Powerpuff Girls, it's one of the shows that put Cartoon Network on the map. And it's one of the most well-remembered and beloved for a reason. You don't have to be a fan of horror or monster movies to enjoy the show, but it helps. In fact, it may even enhance the experience. I recommend it with flying colors. I'm the movie freak. I watch what you don't want to.
I don't know why I thought that would work.
Oh!